Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 20e. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app, tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Let's enter loyalty and now select card you want to add to your Google Pay account. For example, let's select IKEA UK. And now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap save and it's done. Next, we can add gift card. Similarly to loyalty card, you have to select shop, for example, Costa Cafe. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, tap save, and your card will appear right here. Last card you can add is public transport, which is really easy to add because simply you have to select your public transport, you'll be redirected to website, and finish the inside form. Your ticket will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.